The truth is, understanding is deeper than knowledge. There are many people who know you, but there are very few who understand you.
I see that you have the journal in front of you, so can you give me an understanding of how to use the journal?
Sure, why not? What you do when you have the journal, because you know journaling is excellent and it's a great tool for when you want to make a positive change. You have the opportunity to write down two of the main things that kind of keep you from making the necessary changes. That's fear and comfortability. So when you find yourself being afraid of something or comfortable doing something the same way all the time, it gives you a chance to write it down. You know, if you're afraid of going someplace because something happened to you years ago, you write down what that fear is. And then as you write down your fears, you get a chance to deal with them directly. You're acknowledging them, and you're also having the opportunity to look back and say, okay, wait a minute, I can see what's keeping me. What do I do? How do I get past this fear? And as you document these things going forward, it can help you make the changes that you need, because it has to start somewhere. And 9 times out of 10, fear and comfortability is what's keeping you from making those necessary changes.
Hi, I got my help book. Did you get yours? This is a good tool to help me express what I'm feeling on the inside. Try it.
Decisions in life, sometimes you have to understand that making changes is hard. And sometimes putting yourself in a position to make the right changes is even harder. But if you have the right tools, which is your journal to start with, you can start making the changes that you need by documenting your fears, your comfortabilities, because those are some of the things that keep you from making the necessary changes that you need. But all the time, just keep in mind that when we make the changes that we need in our lives, things will change. As they say, for something to change, change needs to happen. And it must start first in how we think, because we have to change the way we think. Because if not, our perception and our perspective on life in general and relationships will remain the same. And you know what they say, if you always do what you always did, you always get what you always got. And we want to change that.